Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by backing up immediately. Once done, you avoid data loss when fixing the screen. Check settings to note model and iOS version so you choose the correct restore method. Next, perform a force restart to clear transient firmware states. Press and release volume up, press and release volume down, then hold side button until the Apple logo appears. This often resolves soft faults, and you'll know whether the problem is temporary or needs a deeper restore. Once the force restart didn't fix it, move into DFU mode because it reloads firmware and bootloader. This addresses persistent flicker caused by corrupted system software. Connect to a computer with iTunes or Finder updated, then follow the model-specific button timing to enter DFU. Hold sequences precisely, watch for a black screen with the computer detecting recovery. Start the restore from the computer. This erases and reinstalls iOS cleanly. Make sure you keep the cable connected and wait. Interrupting can corrupt the device. After DFU completes, restore your backup and test the display before reinstalling every app so you isolate app-related effects. If flickering continues, it's likely hardware. Run Apple diagnostics, or, if you're trained, temporarily swap the display assembly to confirm. Make sure to use genuine parts. Non-certified screens often reintroduce problems. If hardware failure is confirmed, contact Apple support or an authorized service provider for screen replacement. Tip: if nothing changed after DFU,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.